Good day! In this lesson, we're gonna learn more about an important math concept called exponent. So what are exponents? Well, just like the four arithmetic operations that we use in math, exponents are a type of operation. They tell us what to do with numbers. Exponents are basically repeated multiplication. Same with the concept that multiplication is basically a repeated addition. Let's have an example. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is equals to 16. This equation can be written in a short way like this, which is also equivalent to 16. And it can be read as 2 to the 4th power. So 2 to the 4th power is an exponential form. 2 is the base, which is the number to be multiplied, and 4 is the exponent, which is the number of times the base will be multiplied by itself. So 2 to the 4th power is also equivalent to 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which is equals to 16. Now, let's learn how to translate an equation to exponential form. For example, we have 6 times 6 times 6 times 6 times 6. So first, we write the base, which is 6, and then for the exponent, we will count how many 6 are there. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So there are 5 6. So that means that 6 should be multiplied 5 times, and the exponent is 5. And you'll read it as 6 to the 5th power. Let's try some more. 3 times 3 times 3. When you translate it into exponential form, you will write 3 as the base and then count how many times the number 3 is multiplied by itself. So the exponent is 3. You can read it as 3 to the 3rd power or 3 cubed, but it is more appropriate to read it as 3 cubed. Another one, 8 times 8. So again, let's write the base, which is 8, and then count how many times the 8 is multiplied by itself. So the exponent is 2. Now, you can read it as 8 to the 2nd power or 8 squared. But again, it is more appropriate to read it as 8 squared. Now, let's learn how to find the value of an exponential form. So let's say we have 6 to the 5th power. Some mistakenly understand it as 6 times 5, which is very wrong. 6 to the 5th power is not 6 times 5. It is 6 times 6 times 6 times 6 times 6, or 6 multiplied by itself 5 times. So how do we solve it? First, we will multiply 6 by 6, which is equals to 36. Next, we'll multiply the product by 6 again, which will give us an answer of 216. Then multiplied it by 6 again, which will give us an answer of 1296. Then for the last time, multiplied it by 6, then we'll get the final answer, which is 7776. So that is how to find the value of an exponential form. Let's try another one. 8 times 10 to the 5th power. So for this exponential form, we'll just copy the multiplicand, which is 8. Then next to 8, write zeros that corresponds to the exponent of 10. So 8 times 10 to the 5th power is equals to 800,000. Another example, we have 10 times 10 squared. So again, write 10, then next to 10, write zeros that corresponds to the exponent of 10. So the answer is 1,000. Now, be reminded of other exponent facts. A number written with an exponent of 1 is equal to the given number. Example, 4 with an exponent of 1 is equals to 4 also. Another one, a number written with an exponent of 0 is equal to 1. Example, 4 with an exponent of 0 is equal to 1. Now let's review. Exponent is a repeated multiplication. Exponential form or notation is a quicker way to show that the same number is multiplied repeatedly. Exponent tells how many the base is multiplied by itself, while the base is the number being multiplied. A number written with an exponent 1 is equal to the given number. A number written with an exponent of 0 is equal to 1. 2 and 3 exponents are read as square and cube respectively. Now it's your time to practice. Have fun! Thank you and God bless.